Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today's video will be my Christmas 2020 decorate with me. So if you're interested in seeing how everything turned out, keep on watching. This year we decided to go with a whimsical theme, and I did a couple of DIY projects for the front porch. I made 2 present topiaries using different size cardboard boxes and PVC pipe. And I also decorated the door wreath. Now we're headed into the entryway, and just a heads up, it took us a good week to fully decorate the house, so you will see quite a few wardrobe changes throughout the video, but thanks to good old editing, you'll see all of the hard work we put in less than 10 minutes. I picked up the Santa mailbox from Hobby Lobby, and the artificial poinsettias are from Walmart. The little Christmas pillow is from Michael's. The present is from Hobby Lobby. The Merry Christmas sign is also from Hobby Lobby, and the brown elf was gifted to my daughter last year. Lastly, I'm adding artificial snow to finish off the entryway table. Now we're in the kitchen, and I'm adding these gingerbread decorations to the countertop, and everything I'm adding here is from Hobby Lobby. I kept things very simple in the dining room. I'm just adding these ornaments that I picked up at home to the centerpiece bowl. And we finally made it to the living room. I'm going to start by covering our existing armchair with this slip cover that I ordered off Amazon. And the pillow covers are also from Amazon. I'm adding artificial snow to the credenza. All of the decorations are from Hobby Lobby with the exception of Black Santa. He was thrifted. All of the decorations that I'm adding to the fireplace mantle are from At Home. And the Christmas stockings are from Hobby Lobby. And of course, I had to make the Christmas tree the finale. It was the first thing we put up and the last thing we finished decorating. We definitely underestimated how challenging it would be to decorate a 12-foot Christmas tree. It's not for the faint of heart, but we got it done, and next year will be a whole lot easier. So I started at the top of the tree and I added the ribbon first. Pretend like you don't see that white striped ribbon sticking out like a sore thumb, because I end up changing that out later because it was giving me mermaid vibes. Now it's time for Christmas stems and ornaments. The tree decorations were purchased from a variety of stores: Hobby Lobby, Michael's, At Home, the Dollar Tree. If you have any questions about any ornament in particular, just leave it below in the comments. And to finish things off, I'm adding the ornaments that my daughter made this year. Thank y'all so much for watching my Christmas 2020 decorate with me. 2020 has been a year, but try not to allow its shortcomings to steal your joy. I pray that everyone has a safe and enjoyable holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.